Hi there, I'm Amy. I help women use less chemicals around their children and pets. We're gonna use these two cloths. Guys, I can clean about 80% of my home with just these two cloths. It's the Envirocloth and the Window Cloth. We're just gonna get it wet with water and make sure that's nice, not softened. We're gonna wring it out so that it is just damp. Give it a good wring. And then what I like to do is fold it in half, and then I fold it in half again. That way I have 8 clean sides, and now we have our window cloth. Seriously, love him. But look at that window. Hi, buddy. So fast, so easy. We're going to first clean it with the Envirocloth. It's just wet with water, and it's gonna physically remove the grease, the grime, the dirt, and 99% of bacteria. We're gonna get both sides, and it works really great because it has super tiny fibers. They are 200 times smaller than a human hair, and the fibers are star-shaped. So while I'm wiping, the tiny little fibers suck everything up, like everything. And now I'm gonna take the dry window cloth, and we are going to polish it to a streak-free shine. So my dog's trying to steal my Envirocloth. No. All right, so we're just gonna take the dry window cloth and we are gonna polish it to a streak-free shine. It's so fast, so easy. And I love that I'm removing bacteria and I'm not using anything harsh around my baby or my other. Oh my gosh, she just tried to take it. So bad. We're gonna get this side. Now this is something I actually have to do multiple times a day if I want to keep it looking nice, because my puppy loves to use his little paws on this window. All right, we are good. Let's take a look at our results. Look how great. Not a streak, nothing. It's perfect, and it's perfectly clean. And while you're here, you can just grab the handles, right, and clean that off, or around the lock where it always seems to get dirty. Just clean that up, and you are removing all the nasties. Plus, look how, looks like there's not even a window. I can use this combo to clean all the surfaces. Let's check it out. At that sparkle and shine, and no harmful chemicals where we eat our food, right? Or where we prepare food. It's just so easy. And let's not forget stainless steel. So my stainless steel is not very dirty. So I'm gonna take a little bit of butter and we're just gonna make that pretty messy. Like all the things. Like how terrible is that? All right, so we're just gonna take the Envirocloth, wipe that down. We're gonna physically remove all of the gunk. Those teeny tiny little star-shaped fibers are gonna suck everything up. Trapped it in the cloth. And don't worry, I'll show you how to take care of it as well. Super easy. And now we're gonna take our window cloth and we're gonna polish it to a streak-free shine. No more glass cleaner. No more stainless cleaner, just perfect finish every time. We can't forget mirrors. We know what a pain they can be, right? So I'm gonna take some Norwex body balm. This is basically chapstick for your body. And I'm just gonna create a mess. I'm gonna push that up from the bottom, and we're gonna just create a little mess. This is pretty much every morning when you have kids, you have stuff on your mirrors. So we're gonna clean it the same way. I have my Envirocloth folded in half and in half again. You want it nice and flat when you clean the surface, because it's those teeny tiny little star-shaped fibers that are gonna do the job. We're not using any sprays, no paper towels. Such an eco-friendly option that saves time, it saves money, And we're avoiding the chemicals in a lot of those traditional cleaning products, so it also saves our health. We grab the window cloth and we're just gonna polish it up once again to that nice streak-free shine. I actually keep an extra set of the Envirocloth and Window Cloth in my bathroom just so I can do quick cleanups in the morning. So nice. All right, I'll see you guys soon.